Hello everyone, I'm Nima and welcome to my YouTube channel. Earlier this week, I received a comment on my SkillsUSA steak competition. I was asked to post the recipes that I used during that competition. So in this video, I will be sharing the recipes that I used during my SkillsUSA Culinary Arts competition. Okay, so this is my steak competition menu. I had chicken vegetable soup, sauteed chicken breast with mushroom velouté sauce, white and yellow rice, served with sauteed vegetables. And these vegetables were basically broccoli and carrot. I also had spring salad with mustard herb vinaigrette, and this salad included greens, cherry tomato, red onion, feta cheese, carrots, cucumber, and roasted walnuts. I really like to have some sort of roasted nuts, like roasted walnuts, roasted pecans, roasted peanuts, all of these in my salad because it adds a crunchiness to the salad, which is really nice. And down here I have my recipes. So for the salad dressing, you will need 1 cup of olive oil, 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, and a pinch of chopped parsley and minced shallots, and basically salt and pepper to taste. So how you would make this recipe, you basically would add your Dijon mustard and apple cider vinegar to a mixing bowl, and while you're whisking that, you should slowly add your olive oil to the mixture, and you should whisk very fast so it emulsifies. And then after that, you would add your pinch of chopped parsley and minced shallots, taste your salad dressing, and season with salt and pepper. That's it, salad dressing done. For soup, you will basically need 1 ounce of clarified butter. If you don't know what clarified butter is, or you know what it is but you don't know how to make it, I have a video about it on my YouTube channel, make sure to watch it. And 8 ounces of mirepoix. If you don't know what mirepoix is, again, I have a video about it, make sure to watch it. And when I say 8 ounces of mirepoix, I basically mean 4 ounces of carrot, 4 ounces of onion, 2 ounces of carrot, and 2 ounces of celery. 2 garlic cloves, these should be minced, garlic cloves should be minced. Chicken stock, 2 quarts, half a gallon, which is basically 8 cups. 1 sachet, 6 ounces of chicken, small dice. 3 ounces of zucchini, small dice. Chopped parsley or chiffonade parsley, 1 tablespoon, and salt and pepper to taste. How you would make this soup is basically you would condition your medium sauce pot or whatever pot you have you want to mix this soup in, and add your clarified butter to it, add your mirepoix, let it sweat for 3 to 4 minutes, and then add your garlic cloves, add the chicken stock and sachet, let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, add your chicken stock, add your chicken meat, 6 ounces of chicken meat, and add your 3 ounces of zucchini. Then let it simmer for another 5 minutes, and then taste it, season it. And this 1 tablespoon of parsley is basically for garnish. And do not add this 1 tablespoon of parsley at the beginning of the cooking process. I basically made this mistake during my competition. I added my parsley at the beginning of the cooking process, and when your parsley cooks, it browns. And when it browns, it just floats on top of the liquid, which is very bad. Yeah, again, I made this mistake during my competition, and my soup was not good. It wasn't good. Yeah, and then salt and pepper to taste. So my entree, I do not have exact recipes for my entrees, but I used 2 chicken breasts where I sauteed them. I had rice. I used pilaf method to cook my rice, which you would basically sweat your onion, add your rice, add the liquid, season, and just put it in the oven until all the water is absorbed. And then, yeah, so saffron, I have saffron because up here, as you can see, where is it? Here. I had white and yellow rice. So this white rice is basically plain rice, but yellow is saffron rice. So how I did it, you basically have to fully cook your rice and add saffron to half of your rice in a separate container, okay? And if you have not watched my steak competition video, make sure to go and watch it. I basically used one of these plating molds, and in the 1/2 of it, I put white rice, and in the other half, I put yellow rice, which had a nice contrast to it, you know? And my vegetables, carrot and broccoli, I basically blanched these, chopped them, and before service, I just reheated them, you know? Easy as that. Alright, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you want to support me, make sure to like my videos as you watch them. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that bell button. And yeah, until the next video, I will see you all later.